Gloucester midfield and defence, and the club is big not just for this tournament, but for the long haul, ISL and beyond. Managed to bring a corner.
Yeah, it is expected to be a high intensity opening over here for both the teams trying to get into the attack in a very composed way. At this time, we've seen Punjab really getting on from the wings, trying to get that ball inside.
Gaya.
It'll be interesting to watch Kitchen, Longdin,
Okay. Amane
getting
bे
in
सिटिंआव
and giving that edge
खेराखैमोन
to the
quality.
team.
Kipken gets the
दा माबोरै
return.
नुदों खिथाहरबानो जाबाय.
Looking for Suhail. Still bobbing in the area. And away to safety. This could be trouble. So lost his man there, Ranveer. A cynical challenge. Could be a card as well. That looked
No
quite
सिङावबो
blatant
मानसि
and risky.
नायगासिनो बेनि दावरावथाय.
Yeah, that was a high boot. I'm sure the referee has to think differently over here because that was goal scoring moment. If he would have passed from him, it would have been a different story because that is Suresh Mendai, who just could not reach the ball in time. His outstretched leg simply gets down Ranjan. Oh my God, that is the yellow card. If you can see that from the other angle, we'll be able to understand the gravity of that tackle. It's going to be interesting. Look at that. That's swept away. I think, yeah, he swept away. Getting down in a tricky condition like that will always get you a card. Lucky. The intention was seen by the referee and just not flashing the red card. He has to be careful because we have more than 80 minutes in the game. And that's going to be something that the coach have to think.
मोजां नुबायना लोगोफोर
Somehow gets away
एसे
with it.
क्वालिटिया
Great turn of pace from Pranjal.
अखा हाबाय जोंथिंबो
Pedro delivers right on the edge. Winning the aerial battle this time.
Yeah, given away too many of them, there are 2 or 3 set pieces given away. Bodoland can be dangerous over there because they can surprise. Treacherous condition over the slippery conditions can sometimes give advantage.
Decent pressure from the home side. On the surging ball, looking for Robinson. Has joined them from the Saudi second division.
Yeah, I think it's an important player for them. Only if they can put that ball to him under his control. We've seen foreigners who really have good control and they can keep the defense behind them. A little bit of support that's required in and around them to really quick that 1-2 movements to get behind the defenders.
It's been quite an absorbing encounter. The first quarter, end-to-end action. Both the teams testing each other.
Yes, absolutely right. But one thing that is noticeable over here from Bodoland is that the defense have not panicked. Whatever pressure that has come in, they've not erratically cleared the ball. They have kept their composure very well in that defense and just played it away. The only fear is how tight they can be for how much long.
नेट जाया नेट आंनिया
A hefty challenge resulting into a free kick from a good area. It's gonna be Kipken. Was once the highest scorer in the Next Gen Cup for the Punjab youth team. Can he unlock the Bodoland FC defense from this free kick? He's got plenty of aerial options, overloading the box. The likes of Suresh and Ranveer and trudging up as well. Referee just having a word.
Yeah, interesting. Nikhil Prabhu also the tallest guy in that box, along with always. It'll be interesting to watch how the ball can go and deceive the defenders here.
Kipken with the ball in. Dindom Hazari, the captain, clears it. It's back in once more and Princeton Rebel from distance. Skied over the top.
More free kick first, then this ball just couldn't hit the target, but nevertheless the idea was good from Princeton. young man can hit from distance. He can test the goalkeeper nicely, laid back on there. Quick decision that is just keep falling over the ball to keep it low.
Especially with the rain, attempts from distance can be challenging for the goalkeepers. There's Birkhan Taimari, who was with the Northeast Frontier Railway.
It's not been tested like we thought that it would be. Punjab is not taking a shot at goal or testing the goalkeeper till now. I both years, I think Ravi Kumar also on the other end, not been tested. Just one or two corners that came in, but never rose to that occasion. It'll be interesting to watch what happens when we enter and test goalkeepers in this treacherous condition.
Hard participation for both the teams in the Indian Oil Durand Cup. Placed in Group C Punjab last season alongside Kerala Blasters, CISF Protectors and Mumbai City FC. It began with a 3-0 win over CISF. Luka Mashin scoring a brace and a goal from Vinit Rai. Wrapped up the group stage with a 3-1 win against Mumbai City, thanks to the brace from Pakenga and a goal from Philip Merzalak. They qualified for the quarter-finals for the very first time, lost to the Mariners in sudden death at the GRD Tata Sports Complex.
Yeah, I think this is going to be interesting over here, Sohan, because both teams can create unpredictable results. We talk about Bodoland, who can really take chance and get their energy from that huge crowd that is coming to watch them. This time, that's slippery condition. Good decision from the young lad to put the ball back to the goalkeeper and looked in. Looked in has always been that guy who has got great experience, especially when it comes to fullbacks getting into attack.
Tries to thread it through. Good physical presence. Abdul Samad Ango making debut for Bodoland FC, centre back from Ghana, played in the Ghanaian top division.
Yes, Rashad Yadav always on the ball, trying to look at, can he have the defender, but this time look at the defender. Keeps himself so good between the goalkeeper and the attacker. It was an easy collection for the goalkeeper.
Talking about Bodoland FC, season in Group E alongside Northeast Odisha and VSF. Finished the group stage with 6 points but did not progress to the knockout rounds, but managed a couple of victories.
I'm going to talk about teams that are experienced, especially the ITX teams, so ISL experience. Punjab is one team that are good in every aspect, whether you talk about the attack, the midfield, and the defense, the goalkeeper. They've got a foreign coach who can really get them. That's the reason why they get into a system of a 4-2-3-1, which gives a lot of compactness. That midfield allows free-flowing football.
Robinson tried to get away. First touch letting it down. Timothy Narzari. Now support arriving from Midfield Basmatari. Space vacated, covered up nicely by Gayari. Zidkhan Taimari, the goalkeeper. Plays it out first time. Suhail loses out to Junior. But the club was created back in 2022 with an eye for growing the popularity of football in the region. And the club aims to help bring more prosperity to the football scene in Assam and the region in particular. In the preparation for the Durand Cup, they participated in the Bodoland CAL Cup ahead of this tournament.
Very interesting. We thought that match is going to be very aggressive. It's not. It's very patient, engaging, and composed match over here. They have just kept themselves trying to get each other away and outside their defensive area so that they can have little space behind the defenders and around, pass that ball in open spaces. Sometimes it was branches who really went 1v1, getting behind the defenders, taking that curler, testing the goalkeeper. They can do this 2 or 3 times more. It would be putting a lot of pressure on the defense.
It's been a live wire down the right wing. Punjab is Pedro spreading it out wide. Can he deliver across? Gary loses out to Mohamed Swell. Bridgeton. And now onto the path of Mohamed Suhail, who accelerates. Was he nudged? The referee just looks away.
That was a big ball over there, especially if Nikhil just pushed that ball through there. Nobody really. Sheer pressure, sheer physicality of that man got up to Samed Anko. The Guardian just puts him out of action over there. Maybe that arm was a little bit far before he went in for that tackle. The referee allowed that.
Slightly lack in terms of physicality. Got a couple of Africans in midfield and in defence. We saw last night in the Shillong and Northeast game as well, Henry. Shillong moved the ball around pretty well, but in terms of experience and physicality, that is where they lacked.
Yeah, we talk about game management. That's very important over here. We have different kind of leaderships in the defense, midfield, and the striking zone, and that's sometimes also missing. What's important over here is that you need to have players like Abdul in the defense, the youngsters, Naveen and Manaveen, who can really control that defense. And midfield, you've got Pedro Lopez, and then coming forward, you've got Junior and Robinson. It's a great mix over here, especially talking about the spine of the team. But also, everything depends on the youngsters around it, how good they can read the ball, how good they can combine with them and move forward. So it's all of experience of Durand, give a lot of experience because teams from smaller teams, from the amateur side and the I-League second division, all of them get a chance to rub shoulders with top teams in the country.
That's what this tournament is all about. A lot of youngsters on display tonight. Durand Cup has been a perfect launching pad for the budding players to showcase what they are made of. Searching ball for Robinson. Nicely managed this time by the centre-back pairing of Suresh and Pramveer.
Okay, when you have a lone striker, what you do is pinpoint the ball to him. Don't give him away from his body because he'll have to support their defense will cover him. But if you can give it to him on his body, Robinson can really control that ball and allow the midfielders to get out to the attack because that's the way he is as a lone striker now.
Punjab FC, they bring legacy and structure from I-League transition into the Indian Super League. They are a model of professional football development, investing in infrastructure, grassroots academies, and modern footballing philosophy. That's given away cheaply. Junior trying to weave his way through, crowded out. Punjab FC pegged back inside their half. Somewhat inviting and press and
Yes, absolutely, because we don't expect players like, Mickey Webber to really keep up with the ball, very vital positions. Yeah, looking for redemptions, focus on that. But you have to understand it down, you have to understand the conditions.
Chichon Sargamari laying it up with Junior outside the area.
Raw.
Ravi Kumar.
That's interesting, very interesting. They're getting their chances. That time once the time goalkeeper, but nevertheless they're broken the defensive time and again. It'll be interesting to see that if you can make quick decisions to take a shot at the goal, it'll be a different story.
Last 7-8 minutes, Bodoland FC with most number of final third entries. Pedro Lopez from deep running the show. Bridgeton brought down, free kick.
Especially when they are building up into attack, bit slow
Correct.
in that midfield.
งูไปละ
Sometimes when he advertised for the offense, just come and stand
Pass it off.
this side.
มา
Junior
นำฮะ
tackling from behind and not allowed to get back. Beautiful full back on there. Trying to get stone to the ball. Gets the front instead.
Victory for Punjab takes them to 7 points. Very crucial game.
Striker. Nicely headed the ball off for safety, but they had a chance to go on the counter. The diagonal ball from Junior never came. Just
Switch with Ina. Enters the Bodoland XTK tree.
really played that one very well and kept check. Inside, look at him, waiting for that ball. Keeps his composure well. That managed to throw that ball on the wide goalkeeper, straight blank in the arms of the goalkeeper. A little bit of curving on the right or left, perhaps if you get that goal as well. But slowly and steadily, all the teams are sure that they can get and break the defense.
The last game as well against the Indio
Satu mahal nak ni pasal kan.
Punjab played with control.
Live kan bahasa mesti kan kira.
In their opening.
Live kan lain kira. Bahasa mesti kan.
They enjoyed the bulk of possession with their double pivot dictating tempo and fullbacks overlapping frequently to create width.
That will be interesting if they can do that. Important is that they've got the possessions edge in the midfield. They've not got that stretching on the defense to break them down.
The attacking midfield trio, they showed good movement and the cohesion in the final third was missing. There were glimpses, neat interchanges, quick switches, but they struggled to break down the ITBP's discipline low block.
Looks like the referee has listened for Waterbeck. It's going to be interesting over here, though. It's a great condition over here. And nowadays, FIFA advocates some break during the game because of the humidity around. And this will be a good time for the coaches to really get in the right mood, tell the players what they need to do and how to see, and that's exactly what's going to happen.
The North Timber is very vocal. For Punjab, the concern lies in their tempo and urgency. They played a clean, methodical game, but lacked that extra spark or risk-taking in the final third. And you would expect a sharper version of that setup today, especially in a must-win contest.
Yeah, it's important, when you play like a team over there. They have got so much of technical ability to stretch that defender, create the spaces through their passing. They've not been able to really take a shot at the goal. Just half chances, one which came to Preston and Kim Chen. But it's wanting a little more from the coach. He will want them to get into a systematic attack. And important way, we saw that what they did with ITBP. Even if it was a draw, but they had so much to conquer. They could have dominated in possession, but struggled with their chances. And against the defensive Bodoland setup, clinical finishing will become
Massive numbers in the stand, Henry. Absolutely perfect atmosphere.
Yes, I was in this. It's electrifying, especially for players who are underdogs. For them, you need this crowd, you need the fans, you need that shout behind you. You just go on to be more stubborn, give away any chance that's required. Punjab has got that ability to really break through and get into the goals, even if they can convert it.
Football is the most loved sport in Kokrachar. From school level tournaments to senior competitions, the sport is deeply embedded. in the local culture. The region has a high number of talented young footballers in local academies who are actively training them for the state and national competitions.
सिङाव मोनसे नायगासिनो बेनिखायनो डाबल होनानै नोंसोरो
State and national competitions. Meanwhile, it's to have the captain, Nikhil Prabhu, pretty
Finding the captain,
and chipping
Nikhil
at centre
Prabhu,
back as well.
pretty multi-dimensional, can chip in at centre back as well.
And draws a foul, kick in. Good win, brother.
नेट जायासै नेट जायाखै बेना नेट जायाखै
Nick moving and draws a foul.
Just to give them enough space to expose that space in front of him.
One of Vito's Matari as well, a makeshift left back, primarily a centre back, just to accommodate him into the starting 11, has been asked to take up.
To be interesting now. Kick in. He delivers.
It's going to be interesting now. Kick in.
Raw.
With the towering presence of Pedro. It got him away.
Don't know what idea was over there. The ball goes right kick. Space on the defenders, their whole white shirts are around. And that's nothing to be worried about. You know, when you have team depth, you've got great ability to drop that ball in.
ท่าเลย
Touchdown for safety. Good run by Malik. And time and again they try that. Again product went missing. Quick feed from Junior. Grappling pace. Trying to close it down. Looked it. Needs to be careful. Kick in. In support. Now Princeton. Down the line, Vishal Yadav in a physical tussle with Abdul Endo. The latter comes out on top.
And that's very important. That ball was on each perfect over there. So young, towering physicality, physical body of Abdul really keeps him there. It's going to be very tricky for him.
Over there, and the ball was right in the face, and the white shirts are around. And that's something to be worried about.
No strength with the fact that they're going into that physical back. Tackling with each other is going to be very interesting over there. Long in space.
Negotiable. If they are to stay in
The
control.
play continues. The draw in the last game for Punjab leaves them with little room for error. The win today is almost non-negotiable. If they are to stay in control of their own fate in this group.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, you know. We are in the dying moments of the first half, 20 minutes to go, and we need to see how Punjab keep up their stable approach in that midfield. They've dominated the midfield, they've dominated possession. They need to bring in some quickness in their passing to baffle the defenders. That 1-2 passing we have not seen yet.
Tries to take on one of Vegas Matari. Tipken cannot find a way past the number 44. That's poor.
Somehow manages to keep hold of the ball.
Controlled possession from Punjab.
Durand is very stubborn. So hard. Every time the ball is down, they're handling the ball.
The shot is blocked off. Could be trouble. It trickles out somehow.
They're putting in pressure on the goalkeeper. This young man, Vishal Yadav. Every time the ball is there, he's always there lurking about to kick that loose ball. But this time, the goalkeeper tries to save that corner. this is the time you may know that the goalkeeper needs to make it.
Picked up that look. That was a stab on his ankle. And that was the inside of the ankle and the yes. But that was very painful. A little bit of icing will be required. And the man is great.
รอ
Princeton Durand. Authorities joined them from Mexico. As part of the AIFF Elite Academy as well. Now Princeton with the ball in hand. Here away quite comfortably from the first. Rick Shimon. Throwing for Bodoland.
And 2 times again on the practice field, it's not been converted here, and that's the point to worry because in such conditions, set pieces become very important to convert. And both the teams have got 3 to 4 chances from the set pieces and done nothing on it. No attack at the end of the ball.
Junior Nkenke has stamped his authority in the game. Haven't been easy for the likes of Princeton, Ricky Shabong so far.
जायनि न'आव दंफैयो नेटानो नाङा
Another hopeful ball
गरायफबनाय
forward.
जायगासो
Looked him perfectly
बे
placed.
न'नि बाहेरायाव ओंखारबासो नाङो नेटानो रुमाव थाबाल' नाङा
Stamped his authority in the game. Haven't been easy for the likes of Princeton, Ricky Shabong so far.
Tries to combine with Princeton, and now Ricky Shabong on to Mohammed.
Tries to combine with Princeton, and now Ricky Shabong on to Mohammed Ubayis.
Bias
Great season with
had a great season with Jamshedpur FC.
different player.
โฮสปลดหลักขาเดิง
Was a
Yeah,
different
Khalkhal,
player
yeah,
under
Khalkhal.
Colin Jamil Henry.
Yeah, of course. We've seen him.
Not run up. Good distance. Comforting it down. There's the Cameroonian. On the turn. Robinson took it on the rise. Wasn't on target.
Super stuff here from them. The coach seems to be happy with that smile. Nevertheless, that throw in was great enough. Robinson had a chance on that throw. Should have connected that ball. Look at that chip. Keeps himself in the offside position. First time over there. Just couldn't keep that angle right for him. Heads on the top of the foot. Balloon that into the air. What a chance that is. At least the intention is there. Head the ball, make a decision.
อ้างใบเราต้องผู้ใคร
Just the connection was not.
โอ้ข้าเนี่ยโอ้ใบเราทางเดียวนะ
Prakash Pante, the mind behind Bodoland FC's meteoric rise. Local to fears and belief, his team mirrors his personality. Hungry, grounded, fearless. Regulation time of just 4 minutes left in the first half. It's still 0-0 between Bodoland FC and
Jagan.
Punjab FC.
Yeah, it's important over here, Punjab. In these conditions, it's not very easy to keep your fitness. And they've shown that they're a fit team.
กัวเลเทียมาเนี่ยบิบุระบาร์เจียไลฟ์เหนียว
Put the ball across the width
อังเฮนันเรื่องพันธุ์ไฮกัวเลเทียว
and put more numbers up front and more numbers behind.
ใจใจไลฟ์เพื่อยังมิสขากันนะมั้ง
It's a great experience.
ไลฟ์เพื่อเนี่ยไอเช่นดิกเตอร์ใจเบียกัวเลเทียเพื่อ
Lock that defense.
A couple of wins for Bodoland FC over the ISL side, Odisha FC.
Google โอ้ Google Chrome อัง
Last
มิ
year,
เชีย
they
บาระ
got the better of the Juggernauts by 2 goals to 0. The
Jagan.
State Border Security Force 4-3 in a thrilling encounter. It's never easy playing against Bodoland FC at their 10.
Yeah, you're absolutely
माने
right.
जायनि न'आव दंफैयो बाहाय नेटानो नाङा
They are rock solid.
न'
When you talk
सिङावल'
about
थाबाल'
just
नाङा बाहेरायाव थाबा नाङो
they're aggressive.
बिराद
That's going
दिगदार
to be
बे
interesting. And
बे
this man,
एरिया
Durand,
मोनसेयावल' नाङा दस्रायाव नांजोबो
every time the ball goes into the attack, he's on the wing, waiting for that ball
गराय
to get
फबनाय
into
जायगासो
Robinson. But it'll be interesting over here to see that whether they will defend for most of the time and just keep their eyes on counter-attack, or whether they will start manning that midfield and taking the advantage.
Skip Ken. Cushions it behind to the goalkeeper. The likes of Pranchal and Kayari. They can do damage even
नोंसिनि
with
कमेन्टखौनो रिप्लाइ खालामनांगौ जायो नालाय
on the
ओंखायनो
ball
रायलायनांगौ
every time.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. When you talk about players like Naveen, he shows so much confidence in that long ball. One pride, the defenders were so deep with one striker behind. They can put him in the offside position, especially when those balls come in. And Robinson was right in keeping himself so defensive. He kept 2 or 3 wide shots with him busy.
Just attracting the attention of Suresh Mithai and Brumfield, using his upper body strength.
Once again, I'm sure this man would be a little worried over there. His team is losing a little bit of organization. In the back, one striker there really harassing
रुम
them
सिङावबो
to make that
लेपटपाव नायगासिनो
right
माखासे
passing.
एसे दावराव जायो
It's been a very good tactical battle so far. Pranchal Bhumic having a word with the assistant referee. But they need to defend this corner. Can Punjab take the lead before heading into the lemon break?
Their composure. And to get into the attack at the end of this ball.
Gredston delivers in a good area. Chance for a counter, Pranchal. Left 3 behind, Pranchal. Wins it clean. That was Kipchen. All the way towards the left back position.
The referee actually shows the license with the referee flag on the line.
All the way position. The referee actually shows the license with the referee flag on the right hand.
And to show the advantage.
बिराद नेट जायाखै नेट
Look at that.
You see that in many of the matches, and don't get unnecessary to get that one. Look at that. Yeah, definitely. Something has to be done whenever you get that is online.
So the lead does not get to get the cover of their feet. Julius.
नेट जायासै बिनिया
Just could not take that sight off the ball. I thought somebody
Training methods, look at that. Behind the defender, two ensure that just could not get that ball in. Just could not take that sight off the ball.
would attack.
टोइलेटआव थांबासो नांखासिगोन न' सिङाव नांखाया
He's tracking it at the back post. Not managing to get his foot on the ball. Again. Now the overlap, it's looked in. He's got 3 white shirts to aim at.
Tijam Sarkari was tracking it at the back post. Not man.
Absolutely brilliant decision to leave that ball over there, especially when I have players like Durand coming in. Not panicking is something that keeps you very happy when the defense is not panicking. They kept themselves
1 or 2 punches in the middle there, mid of the air.
They're determined, confident,
Aerial
exactly know how to
duel there. but otherwise they have been without panic.
Draw not going to help Punjab FC. They cannot settle for anything less than 3 points. The Bodoland still have a game in hand against the Indo-Tibetan Border Police football team on 12th of August. Here they come. The last few seconds of
ใจ
the
เย็น
first
เฮีย
half.
พังนะใจเย็น
Game in hand. It's the Indo-Tibetan Border Police football team.
It's Kayari.
12th of August. Here they come. The last few
Want to keep possession of the ball. Nabin Rafa.
of Kayari. Will want to keep possession of the ball. Nabin Rafa. Ranjal Vumic.
Ranjal Vumic. On to Robinson.
ไอ้เย้ย
Robinson from distance. Testing Ravi Kumar. And on the follow-up is Kayari.
City in the first half, and then exactly
in the first half, and then exactly Bodoland showed that they can defend, they can defend rock solid. What a time they were very compact in the defense, and the foreigners took their responsibility on their head.
เรา guys ถ้าท้อง
Bodoland showed that they can defend rock solid. What a time they were.
We talk about the job.
เน็ตยากเลยเน็ต
Ball position. Look at that. Punjab had just 3 shots, 1 goal. But Bodoland only in centuries, the 4 shots and 1 goal. Very compact in the defense, and the foreigners took their responsibility on their head. And an advantage to that.
Pretty close game. Let's have a look at the highlights in the first half. Bodoland FC taking on Punjab FC. Match number 29 from the Sai Stadium in Counterattack. The top spot is on the line. Both the teams need a win to keep their hopes alive. And this was the chance for Bodoland early goals.
Only after the Bodoland really came to the game, trying to put the ball in the area that very difficult for Punjab. They stood their ground, they just couldn't run the area that's very difficult for as the crossbar was the best chance of the match.
Ranjal Vumic just causing problems with his pace. Suresh Pithe going into the referee's box.
Punjab, but they stood their ground. They just couldn't wrap that ball. But this was something that the goalkeeper.
Layoff for the Cameroonian junior. And no venom for the shot in that direction as well.
Yeah, there's nothing much.
The game became a little physical.
In the first half, they got it back to the goalkeeper, but then came to with his left footer. And couldn't keep that away from the goalkeeper who came very well to catch that. And then this one.
But nevertheless, spirit was there to get into the attack time and again.
Physical,
มาหรอ
but nevertheless, spirit was there.